Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you paid promotions to our channel. First of all, thanks to our subscribers and viewers to get my paid promotions. In our channel, I was introduced three types of promotions. One is silver one, another one is gold one more thing is diamond one. I will provide the details of silver level, gold level and diamond level with benefits in this left hand side screen. So please follow that left hand side screen also. So first one is silver level. So silver level will be consisting of 119 rupees per month. So the benefits in this silver level is I will provide you my phone number. So I will discuss with you about how to become a professional in civil engineering regarding structural engineering as well as architectural engineering. I will give you maximum information to become a professional. So this silver level will be consisting of 119 rupees per month. So if you are interested to become a professional, so this is the right one for you. So second one is gold level. So this is the most important pack. So it will be consisting of benefits like I will give you my mobile number as well as I will discuss with you how to become a professional in civil engineering, architectural engineering as well as structural engineering. In addition to that, I will chat with you in WhatsApp. I will give you solutions to overcome your problems regarding structural engineering as well as architectural engineering, drafting engineering. So this is the additional benefit which I provide you for gold level. In addition to this, I will give you some schedule which is most important to become a professional in architecture engineering as well as structural engineering regarding this respected gold level. So this is my second gold level. Third one is diamond level, which is consisting of 599 rupees per month. I will give you benefits which is showing in the left hand side screen. I will call you once in a week. I will give you schedule to become a professional in architectural point of view as well as structural point of view. In addition to this, I will give you updates on my upcoming videos and I will share you my daily videos work for this diamond level people. So I will chat with you in WhatsApp and I will provide you some information regarding the architecture engineering as well as structural engineering. So from this respected three packs, so I am recommended to take gold level is most important pack. Why? Because I am providing my mobile number as well as I am giving the schedule. Along with that, I will chat with you in WhatsApp. So this is the most important recommended pack in our channel. So you can take any one of these paid promotions from this respected list. I will provide you paid promotion link in the below description of this respected video and community tab and free video from now. So if you are interested to become a professional in architectural engineering as well as structural engineering and drafting engineering, so I will give you give you solutions and I will give you ideas and how to become a professional. Once again, thanks to our subscribers and viewers. Thank you.